Hi everyone. So it's an evening here in Riyadh, and I'm going from my gym Fitness Time, which is on front of King Saud University, to a restaurant nearby called the Darsin restaurant, Mutam Darsin. But it's like 3 kilometers away. But just look at the scenes of CAFD, King Abdullah Financial District, from here. It looks quite interesting. I'll have to take a U-turn from here. But this ride itself is like 3 kilometers, but the scenes over there that you see in the distance, they were actually worth showing. And here we'll let some people pass by, and then we are gonna look for a spot to make a turn. Okay, so it's a Thursday evening, and there's a lot of traffic here in Riyadh. And you can see the amount of traffic that's passing. Oh goodness, are we gonna be able to make a turn? I think yes. Okay, so that was a tight one, but here we are. So on my right is the Fitness Time gym. That's where I went. And the Darsin restaurant, I was seeing the menu. They have koshari, which is an Egyptian dish. I definitely would like to try that. I was thinking of coming to the Key. The name of the cafe is Key, but I thought better have dinner there, and then I will decide to maybe go back home and record some videos for my other channels and that stuff. Edit some videos, because you see, in Riyadh, in Saudi Arabia, in most of the Middle East, Friday is off. So it's a weekend. Weeks are passing by quite actually swiftly. And I might show you the scenes from the restaurant as well. And in the meanwhile, see, on the right side there are various food stalls. So the one Mansoof Abood, I think they make some good stuff as well. I have bought from them. They even make some good shawarma. There's one over here that we passed. I think they make some pizzas as well. So the street shops, street vendors making that sort of stuff. So we are gonna take the next right, and then we are gonna go towards this Mutam that I was telling you about. Mutam in Arabic means a restaurant. And now we also have a new mobile mount in our car that is helping us record better POV videos. No way, no way. Why are you doing like this? Okay, so give way to the people who are coming in their lanes. Okay, so the restaurant, I think, would come on our left. I would keep an eye out for that as well. Some people are having trouble with starting their car. Could have helped them, but anyways, the Darsin restaurant is on our left. I'll have to take a U-turn and then I'll come back. Oh, they also have coffee address, Anwan Al Gahwa coffee address over here. Oh, they seem to have a good sitting. Some other cool restaurants as well. This is my first time coming on this road. It's called Salman Ibn Magil. So, okay. I'll look at that later, but these are the scenes here in Riyadh right now. I took a screenshot actually. This could become a thumbnail for the video. We'll let this guy pass because he has a better view of the what's coming behind him. Actually, he was thanking, but it's also better for my own self. So, well, you see, there are some good restaurants and cafes to the right. I wasn't expecting that. So, some good brunch places as well, I'd say. Then there is this sort of stuff on One Gahwa, some restaurant or something. This is Coffee Address, one of the famous coffee shops here in Riyadh. However, we are going to Darsin. Let's find a parking spot. Maybe we might not be able to get it there. I think this parking is reserved for like people staying in this building. Do we have a parking over here? The Darsin restaurant is on our right. I could have taken the risk to park there, but definitely we don't want to make any inconvenience for the people that are living in these accommodations, because you see, it's a Thursday evening. Most of the people are coming back home from work, tired and all this, just like myself. Actually, I went to the gym before coming here, but anyways. Shimu, what is this? Okay, well, this seems like a public building, so we will park our car here and then I will go to Darsin restaurant. Thankfully, the Shenyang Edo has some cameras, so I'm able to navigate better. So these are the scenes. That's Darsin restaurant. Okay, so check out the restaurant from inside. They have sitting upstairs as well, but you see some good paintings as well. And their menu was also good. They didn't have kushari right now, but anyways, we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna sit here and then we will eat. I usually like the corners, so I'm gonna sit over here. Actually, this is right next to the stairs, so this one is better. For all my amazing people on the Street View channel, well, see, check out this Sahan Shawarma. I couldn't get the kushari, but anyways, check this out. Some extra bread. This looks so wonderful. One thing is remaining, the fatira labna. Even my channel Street View has become Food View now. Wow, both these sauces are really good. Check this out, this shawarma, it actually has taste. I would give it 10 out of 10, and the sitting, it would also get 10 out of 10. And they also offered to put asal on it, honey on this fatira labna. Wonderful. What a beautiful restaurant. Darsin restaurant.